Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. Hope you're all doing well and have had a fantastic weekend. Right, I've got some extremely positive news to share with you today, and this is my happy face because I'm seeing some massive bullish signals. Okay, I think that we are likely in the next couple of months to see Bitcoin going for new all-time highs again. Now, there's a couple of reasons why I think this. Now, obviously, we've had quite a severe market correction, okay? And the market has started to find its feet a little bit now. There's still some uncertainty. There's still a bit of fear and doubt out there, and I understand that. I understand why. But the last time I saw these kind of signals was just before Bitcoin started going off towards all-time highs again. So I'm extremely excited about that. So we're going through an accumulation phase at the moment, and there's certain things that you need to keep an eye out for to give you an indication as to what's likely to happen next in the marketplace. So one clear indicator for that are what the whales are doing. Now, if you don't know what a whale is someone that has a significant amount of a particular cryptocurrency. Now, we all know that Bitcoin's the main driver of the crypto market, and anyone that has over 1,000 Bitcoin or more, then that's classed as a whale. And what we're seeing is a lot of accumulation with this at the moment. I'm going to show you guys, I'm just going to share my screen now so that you can see what I'm talking about, because this is absolutely fantastic what we're seeing. Okay, where are we? Right, check this out, guys. This is what I want to show you. Okay, so this is on dailyhodl.com, and this is the Bitcoin liquid supply ratio. Now, what you can see here, okay, this is the price of Bitcoin. So that's where the all-time high was. And what we're seeing at the moment is the price is starting to consolidate. So we're starting to, obviously we're still in a little bit of a downwards trend, but what we're seeing here, okay, these are all the whales. These are the strong hands that are buying, and look at that spike there. Now, this happened yesterday, and that is a clear signal to me that we're going to be seeing a crossover very, very soon. What we're also seeing, guys, is last week, BTC on exchanges over the last 7 days, we've seen a significant change, okay? What we're actually seeing now is we're seeing that there's been a massive drop in the amount of Bitcoin that's being held on exchanges. And I completely understand why, because you've got to understand, people that have got serious capital, they understand investment, they understand how the marketplace works. So what they do is they see that there's been a massive market correction, they see that there's been a big sell-off, and they can see that things are starting to find their feet before we take the next leg up. Now, even at this stage, if Bitcoin was to drop down to 24K or even 20K, which realistically, I think it's less likely to happen as the days are going on now. Even if that was the case, $64,000 Bitcoin, and the current price is like, where are we at the moment? We're at $34,323. It's still practically half price, guys. And people don't mind getting a 50% discount when they're purchasing in the marketplace. So it just stands to reason now that we're going to see a lot more accumulation, a lot more upwards trajectory over the coming months. I'm extremely bullish about this, guys. Now, this is the perfect thing to be taking action upon right now. So if you don't know how to trade the markets, you should be learning how to do that. If you don't know how to build a portfolio of cryptocurrencies, just like you would in the stock market, you need to be learning how to do that, because the opportunity that's ahead now is huge. I can see this year Bitcoin hitting at least $150,000. Now, if we're at $34,000, you know, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure it out. You're 5xing your investment on Bitcoin alone, and you're going to see way bigger returns on some of the altcoins that are out there. Ethereum, I'm expecting that to go blowing past $10,000, and there are a lot of other key altcoins that are up and coming, that are established as well, that I'm expecting to perform fantastically well. So what I would say to you guys, because I want to share something else with you as well, is in January 2021, this is the last time that we saw this kind of thing happening. We had an absolutely huge push in the price of Bitcoin. So let me just share that with you so that you can see. Just bear with me 1 second, guys. Okay, let's have a little look. Okay, check this out. So if you have a look here on this chart, what you're going to see here is we're going to bring it back to January 2021, which is just there. Okay, so January 2021, we're looking at the price of Bitcoin, which has gone from about $19,000 and rocketed all the way up. Look at the top of that wick there, at about 62,000. Obviously, we know the all-time high was 64, but this is because we've got all the BTC USDT to the US. But what I'm trying to get at, guys, is you're talking about 19 to 62 as a push in a matter of 3 months. 3 months, guys. Okay, January over to March. From an opportunity standpoint, they don't get much bigger than that. And that's the last time that we saw all of these signals being flashed. So what I would say to you is this. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but go out there, do your research and check it out for yourself, because this accumulation spot that's taking place is pushing up against the price of Bitcoin. Wales out there have added 64,000 Bitcoin to their wallet addresses. In the last week, Bitcoin on exchanges has dropped significantly. The last time we saw these type of bullish signals in January 2021, we had an explosion in the price and reached the last all-time high for Bitcoin. You know, what more do you want? What more do you want in terms of information, guys? It's a clear sign to me that we are going to be going off to the races in the next couple of months max. This is the time to get your portfolio sorted out. This is the time to make sure you're ready with liquidity on the sidelines, you're getting involved, you're understanding how the markets work, and you're trading them up, because people are going to make serious money between now and December. So if you want to be one of those people and you want to learn more, get in contact with us, okay? All you've got to do is simply, in the comments, send the word info, and we'll send you information all about our cryptocurrency trading program and our digital asset portfolio management service, okay? Please, if you've took any information from this that's been useful for you, like the video, share it. If you're on YouTube, please hit that notification bell and subscribe so that you can get future videos that will come in, and I look forward to catching you guys in the next one. Take care.